Hello everyone, welcome back to the tenorshare channel.
My colleague's iPhone screen is completely white and unresponsive. He doesn't know what to do. If you also have this problem, don't worry. In this video, I will teach you how to solve it.
Let's start today's topic.
The white screen can be due to software failures, system crashes after updates, etc. So if it is a system problem, we can fix it without having to pay for hardware repairs.
The first method is to force restart. First, you need to click the up button, then click the down button, and finally press and hold the side button until you see the Apple logo.
This will restart your iPhone and may restore the normal white screen if the issue is caused by a temporary software glitch. If the issue persists, you can try a different method, as the white screen may result from hardware and iOS incompatibility. At this time, you can update iOS using iTunes or Finder.
If that doesn't help, or your iPhone doesn't have the latest firmware and can't update, and you don't want to use iTunes, you can use ReiBoot for system repair without losing any data. This tool is designed to fix multiple iOS issues, including the iPhone white screen issue. You can fix it without losing any data. After downloading and opening ReiBoot, you can connect your phone and select System Repair. Select Standard Mode to avoid data loss. This tool will download the correct firmware and repair your iOS system without losing any data. After the download is complete, click Start Standard Repair. ReiBoot will then begin repairing your iPhone, which will take a few minutes. After completion, your phone should be back to normal and no data will be lost. Now you can use your phone normally and see that no data is lost. If none of this helps, it may be due to hardware damage. At this point, you have the option of contacting Apple support for a proper diagnosis. They can check if there is any missing hardware. Therefore, it is necessary to visit the Apple website to make an appointment for further help. Okay, I hope you have resolved your white screen problem now. If you think this video is helpful to you, please like and follow us. Thank you for watching.